Hi children, welcome to Narayana live classes. Today I am going to explain you about amazing assignment. That is, topic is Sadhana mind map and new words, page number 38 and 39. So here the first Roman is complete the block diagram. Look at here, factors determining climate. So we already know, right, there are some factors which determine the climate. Examples are latitude, altitude, distance from the sea, right? These are the some of the factors that determine the climate, right? So let me show you the answer. So look at here. Here you need to fill this diagram like this. First one is latitudes. Latitudes in the sense distance from the equator, right? Distance from the equator also determines the climate, right? It is also one of the important factor. So the first one is latitudes. Second one, altitudes. Altitude in the sense height, right? We already know, right? If the height increases, the temperature decreases. So altitude is also one of the important factor that determines the climate. Next one, distance from the sea. So if you are near to the sea, the humidity level increases, right? And if you are far away from the sea, the humidity level decreases. So it is also one of the important factor that determines the climate. Next one, direction of winds. Winds, right? We already know, right? There are a lot of winds. A best example, southwest monsoon winds, northeast winds, right? We have different kinds of winds. The direction of these winds also, it is also one of the important factor that determines the climate. So here you need to write latitudes. Latitudes in the sense distance from the equator. Next one, altitude. Altitude means height levels. Next one, distance from the sea. And the last one is direction of winds. Moving to the next one, Roman number 2. 3 major heat zones. So we have, I already discussed it, right? We have 3 major heat zones. The first one is torrid zone, second one is temperature zone, and the last one is frigid zone. So let me explain you this. The first one is torrid zone. Torrid zone in the sense the sun brightly shines, right? The sun brightly shines in this zone, that is torrid zone. Next one is temperature zone. Here in the temperate zone, the sun rays are slanting, right? Slanting in the sense curve, right? Here in the frigid zone, the sun rays brightly, it means the sun doesn't, it takes the complete slanting rays. It means absolute slanting rays. Here in the frigid zone, the sun rays are absolute slanting, right? That's why these are always cold, right? So these are the 3 major heat zones. The first one is torrid zone, second one is temperate zone, and the last one is frigid zone. Moving to the Roman number 3. So Roman number 3, we have new words. Actually in the Sadhana workbook you have 10 new words, but here I am going to explain you about the 5 new words. You must practice neatly all the words, right? First let me start with the first one, that is atmosphere, right? Right like this. ATMOSPHERE, atmosphere. Atmosphere in the sense, we already know, right? Our earth is surrounded by a thin layer of air. It is nothing but atmosphere. Moving to the next one, weather. WEATHER, weather in the sense the average climate conditions over a short period of time, right? In a particular place, it will changes day to day. Actually the weather keeps on changing day to day, time to time, right? So write word here, WEATHER, right? Next one, climate. Climate in the sense the average weather conditions of a place over a long period of time. It is called as climate. Write like this, CLIMATE, climate. Next one, climatologist. So the person who study about the climate is known as climatologist. Right, climatologist, CLIMATE. TOLOGIST, climatologist. The person who study about the climate is known as climatologist. Last one, temperature, right? The warmthness or the coldness of air around us is known as temperature, right? Temperature, TEMPERATURE, temperature. So these are the new words. You can practice twice. So that's it for today's topic. Thank you.